Today in this video I will be showing you Smartgaga xmsi best setting for low-end PC. But first let's talk about its minimum requirement. CPU should be Intel or AMD and RAM should be at least 2 GB. And graphic card should be at least DirectX 11. So let's start. Let's head to step number 1. Step number 1 is to search for graphics setting in the search bar. And once it's visible, open it. After opening the graphics setting, you will have to browse the emulator shortcut on desktop here. Once you browse for it, in its option, make sure to enable it to high performance so that you can enjoy high performance of this emulator. Let's head to step number 2. Step number 2 is to open the emulator's properties. And in its properties, in the compatibility setting, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And also disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. And also enable this option to application. And make sure to apply the changes. Let's head to step number 3. Step number 3 is to open run by right clicking on Windows icon and type msconfig. After opening it, in its services bar, make sure to hide all Microsoft services and disable all. And then in the startup tab, in the advanced option, make sure to allocate all your cores to it so that you can enjoy maximum performance of the emulator, and also make sure to apply. It will demand a restart, so restart it later. I will not restart it now. Let's head to step number 4. Step number 4 is emulator's own setting. To do this, I will open the emulator and I will wait for it to open. And once the emulator is opened, I will open its setting. And in the settings, in the advanced option, make sure to select the mobile and 1280x720 display and allocate the maximum number of cores you have and RAM to half number of RAM you have. I have 8 GB, so I will allocate 4 GB to it. And make sure to get OpenGL for smooth performance, because DirectX is for high graphic card user. And in the game setting, set it to 720p so that it can run smooth, and also set the setting to normal so that we can enjoy smooth gaming experience. It will demand a reboot, so reboot the emulator. Let's head to step number 5. Open the emulator, and when the emulator is running, open the task manager. And in the details tab, search for emulator service. Once it's visible, its name is Project Titan. It's visible. Now in it, set its priority to high so that you can enjoy it in high performance. One last step is remaining, so we will head into it. Last step is to search for search bar in the game mode. And once the game mode is visible, open it. And make sure that the game mode is enabled, and if it is not enabled, enable it to get the smooth gaming experience. So this was all setting. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave a feedback in the comments so we can know how you like this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, it's goodbye.